October. A wonderful good day to you all. My name is Davi Dan and welcome back to Davi Dan HP. Alright, here we go on. New banger, the cost of kindness. But here we go on. Remember to do the usual. Like, subscribe and comment. You see me, we know it's a little bit played out, but we really and truly do have to remind you guys because it's very, very important to us. And for the people watching on your television, you can also subscribe. You know how to do it. So just do it for me. But anyways, watch this new movie, The Cost of Kindness. Oh, and remember to go over my music channel, Davi Dan 1LF. And also, we do mixing and mastering. So if you're interested in that stuff, just shoot me email or WhatsApp message. All that information I will be provided in the description. But for now, just watch the movie and enjoy.
You want something to do with me, boy? Well, I say, time for you soon go hurt, so I'm just stay and scroll up on the media car. See me up here sometime too. Soon time go over again and go hurt.
This isn't really sure if I'm Sheen, I buy it for me.
You can't accept you, me no want to buy. You know some love, baby. Why am I so?
The 4 of them,
4 of them?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, me buy it yet. So you can serve a baby. Because you know me love it, babe. You know me love anything for you. I like.
No.
Oh, my God, look up too.
I'm on the shoes.
The shoes.
The big and the same for us.
I want to show me. I need to make class. Last time I worked so hard, be just to make sure they're alright, and I love them. No one like you for the left me. So we try to look everything just to make sure I'm always on there.
I'm on boss.
I'm bad, so yeah, man, we can go all our about it every day. Alright. So, I want to be there now. I'm going to work. Cook something till we come in, or you go buy something to eat.
You can't give me money, you cook something.
You understand? I love you now. I love you now, babe. Oh, God, man, so. I want to be here. Give me half my arm, so. I want to be here and get ready.
Alright.
Watching for you.
Oh, Lord. Sorry, I did my phone.
Yeah, look and see if someone text her. Baby.
Can I start this?
Baby, who named T-Rai? Who named T-Rai in this phone?
And I'm a friend them from high school.
So what kind of friend that tell us to send me pretty picture of them? What kind of high school friend that's so?
No, what name you call her?
T-Rai.
Oh, I don't know nobody name so.
So now you don't just see a friend from high school?
No, I think I said Terai.
Baby, I will if I'm money me spend for you now. You know that, you know.
I don't know who you are talking.
When I hear one do, I don't hesitate to know why man I text and send up a send pretty picture.
I'm not telling you, I don't know who.
So
maybe on my phone. On my phone. Give me phone.
How you name save in your phone?
No.
You know, see you take me for my idiot. You know, see you take me for my idiot, don't I feel like me have burn up my money.
I don't know my password.
What do you mean how I know my password? When I buy a phone. When I buy it, make them put it in there so I can always pull it.
So I'm not good for take things from money.
I'm telling you, I'm up on the road now. I'm up on the road, because right now, if me follow you, I go in here so, I'm going to go mad out, because I know how much I spend, how much 100 I told you, and I have man, I tell her they said,
I tell you something, I don't know who.
so number save. You see your phone save it?
Yeah, phone just save. You don't know AI, no. AI do things from people phone, you
I'm
know.
up on the road, that's me I do.
So you not even left nothing for me eat, no little money, nothing. What me I gonna eat? How me I talk to?
Sure. Come on. When I do better, you get more money.
I know something I get from bad to worse. Boy, me hot.
Yes. How are you?
Yeah. You ready?
So we just trying to get baby. For the walk.
I don't want to see.
Just buy something to eat, yeah, man. Cause Jimmy a good man, you know. Every time you chat them and they make sure say good. Jimmy a just buy something to eat. Yeah, they don't have to worry about this. So, I'll go up on the road. Chat Jimmy out for signs. So my man they had on this of chocolate at all. Yeah, say he wants to have a nice piece of money because they're repeat people. So that's why I'm working up there. Later.
I call this an idiot boy. I don't know where my car me find. I don't know say I know some my thing work. Hello?
Yo,
Where they?
the road to more country girl.
Come check me. By the way, you know no say if you text me them time of day, yeah.
It mean we text it anytime I want.
Listen to me and listen to me clearly. Aside of the pan, then the pan on main road. You're in the banking side. No man go on like say you want come in the middle of the road. Come me push over in the
Well,
bush.
no mirror the way there.
No, what happened?
More you looking me up on your side.
Listen to me. Do not text me them hours of morning now. Not in the hours of
Me I
evening.
come over there.
Come over, you can do what?
I mean I look fair.
No, me tell you already, me check you, you know, have to check me.
Tell the man to have a cut.
My man the day here, and that's the next thing now, my man. See the message, Jamie now. And left $100 with me and tell me so when me do better and give me more money.
Yeah, you see that boy they not style and them boy they live with. They not style either. I give you $100, you mad.
Come over my phone. Come over my phone. Come camera with you.
Come over there, brother.
You must know where they come. Anyways, since I insist for come, because in the day here, walk at the back and knock 2 times. Alright? They hear me say?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh boy, I get sleepy.
This thing.
Um,
Hello. Sorry, man, just gonna get me order. While I come push out me down so I can help on the market. It's called a mad, not sure.
yeah, but I'm not excuse.
Bright key, what you mean enough for me?
Wait, let me see key.
I need to show a key, I don't need to prove it. I push that fingerprint and lock door. I need
Okay,
key.
that interests me. Anyways.
Never, of course I'm mine, but I never accept that. I just say if the color nice, if you like your color.
Yeah, color nice.
I like fair color too. How your name?
Me? You don't have to know me.
What make?
I have no man.
But I never ask about your man, I just ask her.
I'm going to tell you, I have a man before you go any further.
And I'm not, I literally nothing like that, I just ask her for your name.
Let me see this key. Where you say come in here and pay attention?
I just ask her if I cannot know your name.
No. What is your name?
My name? Friend name call me Davi.
Oh, my friend didn't call me name. Anyways, excuse.
Alright. Tell her, my sister, yeah, you know, I look bad mood or something. But I feel man too. We can't tell us if man ride bicycle, you know. I go to chop people yard for your living, not true?
Yeah, get bright now.
But
Me come in here
I
to
get bread, but me not tell a lie, not true?
I come in here to avoid the talking and come and discriminate my man. My man a bad scam, my man push Benz. Where you push? You 10 to a turbo. Excuse me.
And the man kicks, I'm never have to scam for.
Sir, excuse me. You remember?
Miss me, I'll see you again.
See
No,
who?
no, I'll see you again.
Excuse me, yeah.
I just see you put him in like him. Like him still.
Sir.
Yeah, that's it, here. Alright.
Come on, come on.
Bombardous. Son, hatty man. That's not even fear me, you know, man. A rich man for rich out in a star, cause them are okay. I'm okay on my work 3 brown in me have a me yard, bro. Yo, but you know what? So I want the money. Finish up here and collect the money for Jimmy. I want him to Jimmy now. Jimmy feel good.
God, it is so hot now. Who that? Who that? How are you? See, you're not. You're not say I mean. Lock back my door. Anyways, I think I have to take a best pass. Take a best pass then. Take them up, take them up, take them up. Come now, know when my man come back. You see right now, unless you're very vexed. Hold them in your hand if nothing. So anyways. You think you're here today? Yes. Why you come over here?
You go look for.
No, you come like a year, yeah. Can you turn on fan? You sit down on my bed.
Sit down, sit down.
Listen to me now. You see if you want nothing,
sit down, yes sir.
You have to do it fast. Because the man vexed and gone and I don't know when I come back.
Yes.
You know, boy, carry on with me. I read I'm shopping. The things that you can come over here. I mean, I do not know. No one of them can ramp with me.
Yes.
Oh.
Time to pull the door someone if you have to hold that baby. That because I hear my voice, suppose man stick me up room and come on.
Oh my yourself. Oh Kaylafilms. Good evening.
Even me. That's time to love I say I'll be about to go put on me told them first, you know.
To all of that work.
Why? It was great, you know, baby. But some literally say never chop that piece of food off my thing, you know. You know, what's that, baby? Ooh. Those. The better time I go low, I say, I'll be. So you need to get something to eat. Make sure you know, baby. And you know what, I know a woman I drink no heap of soda, I drink no heap of Pepsi and anything. They buy blend juice, baby. If you buy blend juice.
So?
Orange juice, something smooth, no soda. So what you do today? Yeah, dear, it looks sad. What happened?
No, not really. I just like, I don't feel bad for the work I do.
Yeah.
I don't feel shame or nothing. Just like me see one man. You remember what I said him? He come in and shop and he might look me and sit and tell me about if me see black market park up out of door or something. And if he can't get me, so me say, like my man drive be my man a scammer, bad man or something. Then he start running me away.
And that's why I have a love right now, baby. All when me not driving something, you always have to pick up for me and I look out for me. Yo.
Yeah.
I say, yo, me have to
I thought, boy, if he can't get me, I say, me not love you.
Yo, me say, me love you, you know, babe. Alright, you know, so one day God go bless me, me can buy them car to be. I just want to hold it out with me, because I know God go bless me, you know. But not because we not try, but me love how you pick up for me, but yeah, you know what happen one day, believe. I'm trying to best work hard just to take care of you, man. You don't need a fast life. Fast life don't make sense sometimes. Sometimes God hold me back. Certain things are reach in a life.
So you can go see you down something. I'll come over lie down.
So, come in. Like, you depend on me first.
You have to hurry up because I don't know where my man come.
Trish!
See me man come.
Trish!
So you want me to run?
Come. Sure. Listen to me, my man, I come.
The things in the free, most of shit over there. Yo.
Yeah.
So you take so long?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing?
Nothing, I said nothing.
You should have some style now, I'm not rate you know. God no, you have to feel bad at the time. Today I first never get $100. Right now I feel like, way man. Why man I text your phone? And me there I pour out my all, how much hundreds of thousands me there I give you. And how much hundreds of thousands me there I give you, and I just make me feel like a garbage. Why man I text your phone? See me right also. Why man I text your phone? That man boy, when you T-Rai. And you know so what day, me look in there and T-Rai, I say like you want to come over, I told me never want to say nothing. God no man, so I want that boy to come over and put the kick in the face, I say dog. If you know boy can come on my yard and bad me up neither. Or come on my yard and spend and take my woman on me and spend how much $1 million pan. Where T-Rai live? Oh yeah, I eat that now.
Come on. Hey, what is it? What?
Yeah. Mix that.
Yeah. Go on.
How am?
No, let me fix. You put out something back there?
The current shift.
Breeze a blow.
She's not really saying no, you have to feel bad there.
You make me feel bad. I give me $100. You $100, girl?
You're right, 50 me should have given.
You're right, but should I?
I chatting to them now then, because you make me have one bad day.
Take it up to the Lord.
D. I'll go find the road now. I'll go to work.
You eat something?
Yeah, me I eat something, man.
Yeah, you eat this morning?
No, but me I will eat something. So me I will give me breakfast. Plus you provide lunch to be. So you're not for so. I will put out now, so. Buy something to eat. Let's put you to eat something in a bit. Later.
Come here.
I want to know the.
No.
I don't want to mash it cut in a bit.
Mwah. This is fair?
Yeah, that's why I love you, you know.
Remember get something there?
Alright, baby. Yes, Father God. When me I go start from now. Start from the side there now. My son not there so you know. She me feel like they will feel my son today because start this step.
Yo, what you road now, man?
Davi.
TB? What you deal with? No, what you deal with, my bro?
Years me not see man like Kayla, bro.
Brother, how much year now I'm not see you for chew me dog? What you going with?
Why? So I'm shame me cannot even tell her what me are going with.
You gotta chat to me now, dog. Yeah, my dog differently, you know. What you mean you can't tell me what you're going with?
You know, so from left school, though, bro, nothing wrong going for me, so me have to go on with that.
Brother, for nothing wrong with this, dog. Me wanna do this about nothing wrong with it, dog.
Bro, look on the man, brand new bike, bro.
Dog, I want to say in a last thing by you know, but brother, I watch that dog for your time different from my time. I'm sure you're sitting to dog. As much as how I have money and things, everything right in my life, dog. So right now, brother, nothing wrong with this, dog. How much they pay you a day?
Boy, you know, so me not get that much, but what me not get...
Can't survive.
Yeah.
Tryna, bro. No, man. I ain't too travel with the money still, no, but hold on upon that 3 pocket too. Cause I'm a dog, you know, I'm sick. Yo, you know, say, yeah, boy, when I do take things, brother, yo, easy, no, man. You know, say, I take things from people, you know, but hold on upon the hot tattoo, dog. Coming on, this one, bunny up, bro.
Bro, me have to respect you, and I appreciate it, bro.
Bro, you're good, man. Look, yo, one next time, book you up in our world, make you one next piece of money, here.
Alright.
Yo, go and do it, dog. Keep your head up, too.
Yeah,
Make
bro.
your son burn out your color. You hear me, dog? Man. Yo, just speak up yourself, dog.
Well, I see this man out. Man, put on all weight, too.
Yeah, let's go over there, sir. I'll check panel in.
Yeah. That video counter for finish up it tomorrow.
Oi. What are you doing now, sir? Drop my shoe.
You know what I'm saying? I walk with them.
Drop a pressure. What's the other?
Hurt me there, boss, and I go me.
Who?
The Tom. Tom hurt for person.
Who?
Tom, boss.
You don't see nobody passing, sir.
No, boss.
Go for the bike.
No, sir, I feel the bike, go boss, right, right, come on.
You can ride, come on.
Hurt.
Get straight.
Right, choose no boss. You know, say up, but you not gonna go on from the forward. Can't get flies.
You don't need nobody shooting no gun last night.
No, boss, he's a hard working man, you know.
Me I come, man. Me hungry. Yes, sir?
He's a hard working man, boss.
I'm going to take the bike in.
Please, boss, please, me a beg. I can't do something for myself, you know, boss, please. Give me a chance. Hard working man, maybe.
You say what I see?
One time, boss.
One time.
Yeah, up body. Please, me a beg.
No, bro.
Respect, yeah, bossy.
But hold on. Come back up. No, I'm careful. You know if you post that carry and mash it, so. No bush or no bush. You understand?
Alright, boss, I understand.
The hot me and talk about now, this me glimpse. Somebody. I mean, know about the place. Where you get that from?
I'm saying I'm a friend of mine named Davi Dan, give me it, bossy.
Who?
Davi Dan, one of my friend them.
Davi Dan.
Yeah, bossy.
I know let you go in a woman and ballad to take in. You have to come to a station to buy all this.
No, but
Forward!
No, but please, bossy.
Just come to a station with the papers, them, and everything to bike. If you want back to buy us license and insurance first, you have to come to a station.
No money, no bossy.
That's me, not my problem. Man. You see me? I know my problem. But, me have come. You hear me say, so go on. Or you want me lock you up? Go on. Now give a blind, me now lock you up.
Can't get my shit, kite.
Go on, sir.
B, how go on?
Yeah.
You good?
You know what?
Yeah, just come forward.
So many
Right. Oh, you know, similar to my virgin, them it. You want to pick up your woman. So I'm just, he left me off the sun, let me finger.
So when you get it back?
Anytime
I'm
you,
going to do something.
anytime you pick up your woman, babe, I must say it about my bag. I don't know when.
So always work.
You must say good door.
Mm.
Be I want to tell us that to me clean down the land. Can't give me one next little thing for the money, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Me deal with the proper car.
You can collect your package then.
No, me I tell us that, babe, well, all the man on the time for that. They wait no man. They even hug me up and ask me,
Are you
how if me good?
here?
They just ask me, hug me up and ask me good, man. They didn't even do that, man.
You good?
Me no must good. But you should have asked me that. You shouldn't make me tell us if you asked me that. But anyway, cut long story short. You know cook.
Yeah. Food in my pot.
What you cook?
My favorite. Oxtail and white rice.
These are ready.
Mm-hmm.
So now you have some food and come back.
You can go take a shower after.
Alright, now do that, man.
Okay.
You see said thing now, fella?
Uh-uh.
Always be grateful in my life. I come back up on one of my boy them. My high school. And me and you are the good friend. Moon is the best friend or not like that, you know, but I'm a general life for real. You never listen, me never listen. While I go with me a ride I come. I didn't feel like drive today. I see dog, not even see him. I see somebody a chop a road in front of me. So I say, yo, watch it out the road now, brother. Cause through in a middle of the road. When me look good, I'm my boy, I say, and I shock. Instead of me I look good. Instead of you again, me have to say, I call him name. And
Name.
TB, me realize it's son hot funny youth, man. And that they a chop bush. And me ask him, say, oh, how life turn out? And he must say, yeah, they must say, yeah, you do. He not if you don't want to tell me, he have to feel ashamed myself and I say, brother, just hold your head up, dog.
Oh, my.
So you see there, anything can to anybody, I don't know what cause in life, it goes so.
Yeah, give a little money.
I mean, man, half the game. You know, when me game it, I bow a man one bow down on his knees like me and God, me have to say, brother, yo, get up.
And like, probably lick him one real way, man.
You know, like, in some days, I tell him, say, yo, get up, brother. Yeah, give me hat too. My favorite brown hat, so.
Oh.
Come on to sunburn him. But me know, say, right now that I hat there and it look cash on the game, right now that's supposed to make him be 10 times better.
Oh, we not think he's gonna do no foolishness and right in a rum bar.
I don't think so still, but.
What they tell them a rum, mash them up, you know?
That's a true too.
You know, you can't tell me you couldn't hide so.
Yeah, man, let me answer that for you. Yeah, man, I don't want to feel low.
Time for you to come over here and think now.
Oh, God, man. Phone call really. I know someone
Like you go relax.
want to follow us from the TV.
But I think you can do it tonight.
I ain't man, baby.
You tired, boy.
I love you, auntie.
Yeah, me know that too.
Something I know. So that.
I know. I'm in all of you. No matter what.
Yeah, shorty.
I will not see you for love nor money.
Oh, my. That's how I feel love, so dear. I will never treat of you.
Send a plan to pick up a package now for me.
Oh, God, man, be a gangster. That at least be. Must be hard working, man, you know.
Okay.
Really upset.
Hard work, so you're not gonna work today.
Today? Today I'm day off, be.
By the way, you're not gonna work 2 weeks now. What up?
Oh,
You
know what's up? Tell the truth.
and I think 2 weeks, you know.
Tell the truth, you know, babe. Tom and Jim when me up at home, one of them. Two apartment them me a clean up, babe. So, and one day me get a call, and I hear say Jimmy and his brother Tom crash. One day down, one day hospital. Like, me no go to work.
Or 1 day down there.
Yeah, be.
Some more, yeah, more.
You feel how we be without them, you know, I make no money, be.
You never did a feel so he passed 2 weeks, you did not.
You never want to chat about it. I try to bring up the right now, you make me feel that way. You make me want to cry right now. God, me feel that way.
So just make you want to come over there, wipe them. But, find a way. Where your bike? Give me where your bike.
Eh?
Eh?
Where
Your bike. Where your bike?
I don't want that, you know, I know you boy and bring back my bike, you know. You say, me I'll call it. Boy, I'm a liar, you know, brother. I can't tell me, say, yo, I try to cut road. I try my bridge, you know. I don't feel long, you know, I'm a good friend, me I'll call it. Yo, bro, where my bike there? Oh, I know you can't bring back my bike. What? Police take you away? Come on, stroke you on me, bro. Show me I get back my bike. Me in around 2 weeks straight now, you know. Me not have no money to go back for that, you know. So you better make sure so you can go back for my bike, bro. Me don't talk. You even call and text me and tell me, say, yo, I may have to call and text and find out, say, my own things police gone with it. Bro, just hear me have to say, bro. Get back my things, bro. You know what, man?
Me hear what man. So how you get alone and take the bike like that?
Yo, them something that burn me out.
Me tell you, don't lend out your things. And the first me go tell them,
Brother, why God tell me say you know?
I mean, take out your bike, load on your bike, man.
Even feel that way right now, man. Can't bother.
So you know about that one thing, man, and then.
Brother, my bike right now, my bike important.
Yeah, that's how me, brother. Don't run this, man.
I'm not going to go on the road there, man. Cause me can't stand my house right now, yo.
You go outside then. Who that?
Oh, pull it down, no, man. I mean, who that? Your man not going to vote.
Come on, me yard, you know.
Long a polling station with them, man. I'm saying, man, from there. Oh, go on.
No, go on, not happen.
My voting check there. I have to money tonight for now.
What your problem? What you want?
There, man.
Now what?
The TV on.
You see TV already on?
Yeah. Oh,
You could shave your arm.
Mama in the shape. I'm big man, I have that road. Come here, man. Want a piece of for her.
You remember the last?
Your man a gone, we see him down there voting.
You never vote for that already.
You know, matter me see him.
Oh, you see me in the
So me a
station.
police. Me a police, and that's where me going for me a labor right.
You don't even know that. Come.
Relax, man. You play one bad son.
Dirty boy, get up.
Yeah, frightened so far.
You have to look at work. You don't plan to look at work. You feel like going in a egg? Bomban! You pay a bill? Are you paying bill?
Really calm down now, you know.
Me ask you a question. You pay a bill?
Used to.
You so. You not look at work. You not look at work. You just want to feed that for me?
Yeah, me try.
No food in the kitchen, you know? I'm hungry.
But me try.
I'm here to tell us I'm hungry.
So what me a go do? Me a thief.
Say the bottom.
Be you know say that rape man do.
You know say that rate me? You cock up in here like me and the man and you the girl. A jazz are wearing?
Your father got
Me ask you something. A jazz are wearing?
So what me fi do? Me police take come my bike from me nigga. My boss crash, one dead one in the hospital. Me can't get no more work. What?
Hello. I'm also in a lower voice. Your voice no fear go higher than mine. Remember that? You have a plan to go look at work that me say.
So you know see me a look the and can't get none.
You all the free girl who work on your cock up in your palm bed. What type of work you go get so? You learn to lie down in a bed. The work they want to do?
B, just give me some time now, please.
Me I go give you some time. But the time you go and give you, me I go find the road, but then you read something by the time you come back, you must know where you are too.
Alright, B, go ahead.
I'm gonna wash up your dirty plate them. No. Move now.
But me tired, B.
Move now.
Tired, B.
Move. Bread. Go on.
You been did see a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
You still a walk. So I can't get a name now.
So why you want me name?
Well, if me be totally honest and I really just a name more what me feel like a name are the easiest part to me get.
Oh.
Yeah, so when I get a name it all lead to me asking a whole different question. So I can't get a name.
The answer, you're not giving me an answer when I want you still.
Can't answer you here. Me just
Why
wanna-
you want me? Why you so interested to get me name?
and your name alone, me interested in you overall.
Oh.
But I like to know your name.
How much girl pass us say you say that to?
None, just say me just walk out of my villa.
Out of what?
Out of the villa on my own.
Who?
Out of the villa on my own, me just walk come out.
Okay. So when you did that so now you can start back and talk.
May I ask you, so what is your name?
My name is Tiana.
Tiana.
Yeah.
So where you walk come from, Tiana? Look how hill big.
No,
man.
just taking a walk. Feel.
How you feel?
No what about that. But me just take a walk.
You feel bad?
Feel bad? Me feel good now.
Okay,
I'm taking the walk.
I feel like I could make you feel better too. So Tiana, you don't feel like I can get your number too? Like
Where you want my number?
me feel like I can get everything from you today. Come on, your name, your number, and to know you.
You sure about that?
I would like to know you.
Oh, you like me?
Matter of fact, past the whole world, I would love to know you. So I can get your number.
Hell yeah.
Oh damn, you know some my phone left over here though. I can't. You couldn't carry over there, you can't give me a number set time.
So why you want to carry me to your yard?
I don't really say I want to carry over my yard, you know, but I just say true. I left my phone and sitting. You have out?
Okay, come.
Alright.
Rasta!
Yo.
Rasta shall I look come forward. Bro, the Rasta.
Man, it's good.
How you father? Yeah, man. Up to you. Alright. Last month me have to come a rum bar.
So you come and me have to all a vibe sometime.
Bro, me have to tell us that me have a one over the west.
Stress. I saw that. I know why I so much stressed out. My friend is stressed. I'm hard. I'm stressing.
What I tell you? You know, so what do you mean that? One man and chop one man yard and man you can have spend time from the top up more man and give me beer but in a jail.
Right, so you don't get no money. You don't tell me I say no. Woman love money, you know that? Woman love money. Period.
Brother, go pick up the phone, brother. Go pick up the phone.
That's the you know, so I hit me have to do bro but you know no dollar right now. See last money me take me come buy a special. I know me have to go look smart like I help you out with that phone or something.
Just 1 2 day work, man. And because the 2 day work, you just take that money to buy a phone and buy
Buy a phone and
buy a top up. Buy a top up and start work.
Make the
I
money.
want you. 2 day alone, 5,000 a day and 7,000 a
After
day.
bossy.
Me neighbor.
You know, so Rasta tell me the truth. A good thing you tell me Rasta.
Blood, mash up the line and show them say, man, hot.
Yeah. Woman have to come back. Not true
One
Rasta.
thing back, man.
Yeah.
You get the see, man. You know one thing back.
You know what,
Only
man?
you get about it.
You know what you try Rasta.
And the money in your pocket, Jesus in a pocket. You're mad, man. You can't Jesus and I run back where you come from. You better run go somewhere you never get.
Me love what you chat, man. You know, say me go mash up quick. You know, say me not, bro. You come like that girl and you come like you
I
know.
love him though, dog. My sister love him. I say, grip of my friend, man. Like you because go on the road, man. You're good, man. Go on the road. Go on the road, man.
Alright,
Lord.
look at them self.
Spend
Alright.
food, man. Spend the food.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
It's like me really have to take that door. Okay. Oh, you drank or go to work too. Oh, you have sense. I have sense. Oh God, I'm tired.
I do it like every minute, son. Man. Trish! Trish!
Mm.
Yo, come pull the door now, man.
Eh? Me come there. Hi.
Yo, buddy, show this.
What?
Let's go. I'm coming now.
What do you mean? You alright? What are you looking at the kitchen for? Sometimes I wonder if the head go out for me.
Where you cover me up for?
I saw me see on TikTok. To cover your boyfriend head.
Trish, where you cover me up for? No, you
Me see something on TikTok.
You take me for eat. Trish, me smell the cold one and you know they on you. Where you cover me? How far shot this, sir?
Mind.
Trish, me and you are not JLP.
Mind, me mother give me.
Me and you are not JLP.
Me mother give me.
You know, see, you take me for an idiot, though, girl. You know, see, you hammer in the house and build what a good thing, no pack my bag. You can't tell me, see, I feel shot that. Yes, funny. No link me back now, there, you know. You know what you're doing, girl.
If you link me, me have to do good. Yeah.
You know my woman so bad. You know my woman love me. You know my woman so bad. You know my woman love me. Hear me? Yes.
Like idiot. Give me, move. Give me this. Auto. Mama, me out in your face, you know? Oh.
Oh my woman a go on so I come from Rumba and I sing them and
Sit down. And stop laugh with me. No work, me send a figure look. No work, me send a figure look. And I, me baby, me love me woman. And this a come back queen. And this a come back queen. Alright, no say fun. Don't say no say no.
me love my woman and my woman love me so bad. I hope I'm dinner and I go fuck. I'm hungry.
Eat best dinner. Come on, come in. Right. Fed up, man. Fed up. Chop.
So I gotta feel like you can't style me, you know. I'm on them place and feel like me, no know. What's up, man?
Davi.
Hello?
Davi.
What go on?
You
know, say, I want to yard them, I left from. Yeah, when I'm yard them, I left from last setting, but I have to even want to chat about that. What go on?
Oh, you know, say, you only fear for you come on my yard, because you come on my arm, you come on your yard, right there.
You mean since there?
Yeah.
Alright. You dep on my way still. I want to make other yard, me stop by.
Alright, me see.
Alright. You good, you want to eat?
No, I'm alright.
Alright. Where are you going with?
Yeah. Where you trying to go?
Yeah, I did already dep on my way. They'll swing in your direction.
Come on, nobody so come to me.
Where you want nobody so?
Leave the people on steam, please.
No problem.
And you can see, no, you're showing a ride and you're there.
Oh, that good man. You know what I'm saying? I'm there, though. What you are deal with?
They are more something.
Oh, yeah, more some other stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But that's something similar to me when they left me at the yard a while ago. But I kind of done with the yard fully.
So, you left your yard for?
You know, sometimes we just stay on place too long and maybe we did it till we are comfortable and everyone knows better things out there for we.
Oh.
Yeah, but I don't really want to dwell upon that still. So, let me ask you a question now. How you just invite me over so? After how much weeks when I see you? Me I look and sit and you know I feel the energy. I mean I assume you like me now because I feel like you like to invite me over.
Yeah, me like a long time. What do I know? Because me recent boyfriend left.
Oh. So you're going to give me a chance when he made the boat?
No, me like him.
Oh, I like that. God knows I like that. You sure you're not sure you come over and see the bill and all of that style? Eh?
No,
Sure.
I swear.
Alright, I believe you.
So,
you sure you ain't hungry or nothing like that?
hungry?
Come could I bring food for you at least a that?
You hungry now?
You want me to carry go somewhere?
Yeah.
I'm going to get some to eat.
I can't believe say. Because me and the girl there move good, bro. And the girl put me on through me drop on my face and I struggle out. Life unfair, you know, bro. The girl never yet tell me say hunger, I'm making that younger, you know. What am I going to do here now? What am I going to do?
Oh man.
That's bossy.
Yeah, there's it. Me?
Yo, man put me out.
So we there Sam make things nice. So we there man place up take things nice.
So what them come buy and some things, bro. I'm buying some things, bro.
Talk man, you know nobody and my friends shop and make a nice.
So really I deal with Mr. Dog and the whole of me one, bro.
Get up man.
Bro, when me alone go,
Yeah, move. You say the name.
No, me alone now, bro.
That's
No, you're sick of your life, you. Oh.
lift up no man. Get up now. Come on, get up now. Move no man.
Yo, son, I deal with me, dog.
Look at the man face man.
Son, really I deal with me, bro.
Go on no man.
Alright.
Come here yard now. Yes, I come and get a car already. Now I go in there now. I'm not really like the crowd. So just order where I order and get some. I go and wait for the front. Yeah. Alright. Alright, now I'm not team like all the crowd there and I'll find all the place to go shot a piece or something. Where are you, sir?
Davi.
Where are you, sir?
Yo.
Yo, come on, dog, come on.
Yo, bro. Now we here, bro, about 2 days now, I'm up on the street, you know, bro.
Brother, what happened, dog?
The man put me out, dog, just because me drop on my face and fall off, bro.
Dog, so one thing, it grass cutting over come and see how the drop.
Bro, if me took boss, dog, two boss me so up for that, two brother them, bro, and they meeting accident, one dead, one gone to hospital.
Bro, so one feel go buy come see up and go make you not try sell you or rent out there, go run some buy taxi or something, bro.
Police take me away, bro, right now, I struggle right now.
Brother, so, nah, brother, you look like you some of your clothes now, wait up on some style, bro.
You know, tell us when me go to one shop to go well of 5, bro, and is a man come wake me up, dog, run me from the place.
But, bro, right now this make my heart hot me. So, bro, what me can do for you? How me can help you? What me can, you have a phone, you want something? Bro, me not even have money for me, dog. Because I left my one.
You can't find me anywhere in the streets, bro.
Bro, me don't want to find any nice cheats, bro. Alright, tell her what. You don't know where you can live?
No, bro.
Yo, tell her what me do, bro. I hold it for house, man. Me can't carry up a villa, dog. I let's see African have a certain image. No disrespect to you. But me give one of my house and stay in the meantime, bro. Here what I go on to. You have a phone?
No, bro. No phone, bro.
Bro, I don't have money can't give you right now. You give my phone when I use, my personal cell phone. But I cannot try to go up on the TikTok and tell a life story, dog.
TikTok, on him, so, bro.
Do you know what app them where all the people and go up and dog where they say caps and rose and
oh, and TikTok, yeah, bro.
Or I cannot go up on TikTok and tell a story, dog.
Dog, you know, so that me have to do come and see. Bro, before my father off, me used to watch and something, bro, and so all the people are rich out of fight, you know.
Even more rich, dog, but bro, you need to make people know, see a woman a wicked, dog. You really need to hear their story. Alright, bro, right now, this if you cut me right now, you know, see no blood in my heart, dog.
First, bro, you make me get a phone.
I make you get a phone, and I make you get a place to live, bro. Watch out, I have me just think about me. Can't give you my personal phone.
Yeah, bro.
But here we go on. I go up at the phone shop up place and I go pay for one. That's a right up place. Right up place over Steve. You know over Steve?
Yeah, bro.
I go pay for one. And I left in your name. Today.
Yeah,
Yeah, just go up there and collect it out. You see me? You left my number in there and you just call. Come I make sure say that I put it money. You just call me and we tell you what to do for a person. Listen me, bro.
Alright, bro.
Yes. Bro, yo, sorry, so I can't hear nothing right now. Yo, me make you get a me make you left you with a phone, yeah?
Alright. Respect, not for respect, bro.
Bro, step to yourself, dog. I know so that come on a wicked, dog. Right now, yo, between 9 dog. You see girl on the list with more than 300,000 spend on him every week, you know, dog. Yo, I believe say girl have man I feel like me no know. Yo, I told me not chat certain things in a dog, but yo, woman I wicked in a dog. Right now, there's a boy can me there with in a dog. Believe me, bro, me not heart again. Believe me, man. Oh, you want to take so long, man?
Davi,
Yeah, baby.
you can come over, I'm missing you.
You miss me for sure?
Yeah,
But look what me and spend all our yesterday together.
but I said yesterday.
Alright, me forward.
Alright.
Yeah. See if we can make something idea. Yeah, tap up the spirit, people. Wait, maybe up yourself. You likes, thanks you likes, appreciate it. Enough respect, you know, James. Big up yourself, father. Enough respect for your money, gone. Yeah. Where are you?
Yeah. You know what I'm here wait for you?
Where are you coming from? Oh, no, you just calling me, sir.
Come on, see you.
You want to see me for anything more yesterday?
No, I see you still.
Okay, I see you then.
This, what must I shake it?
Baby, watch out, man. You know, say, I just pass my day past through, because I really and show me I want to break me, I have to go look for you now. In upper yard, I stay and sit in
So
something.
the bedroom more important than me?
He can't more important now, baby, but in a look a rough situation now, I'm gonna feel terrible in myself if I never go look you.
I'll get a paper bag.
Baby, the school, just give me 1 hour.
Just give me 2 hours.
Look at me time now, watch out.
Oh yeah, keep up time.
Baby, just go, man. It's soon for, just give me 1.
You say no.
You're real and I make my word.
Time for me, go take off your clothes and come back.
Alright, fuck.
Hurry up, man.
Like you people then gone, nobody know where. I'm gonna start but look more. Yeah. If our money gonna on, I appreciate you. 6 bills that. If I have nothing, why? From my schoolmate, bro, Davi Dan. I feel rated dog, you know. I respect it, appreciate it right now, even all that stuff with it right now, you know. I bet that place down me there. What do you know? To know the girl I had, you know. Boy, some things have to reach and be teaching a life, you know, youth. Oh man, those star. Real G that man in the time we make in a life, you know, I'm not live for months still, you know, cause I'm boring, I forgot where I come from, but kind of feel hungry, I'm tired, I know me. More than 5 years, man.
Oh, Jesus.
So,
Mm-hmm. That be bad. I'm body pop off when I tell I'm wish for.
so I'm not someone but baby for real and I have to go link from a boy, you know.
Yes, I can go now.
Satisfied.
You can come back later, though.
Alright. Of course, me I come back. Give me back something for you, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Okay. That man have a boss.
Cause I have to make a landscape I come back, man. I like how them a grass there. I love back I play still. You! You!
No, how that?
Davi.
Oh.
What you doing, my dog?
There, bro, come on, so give me a heart attack, you have a sleep. Now, one day, the police are beat on the door, brother. You can't do them something next time.
I'm going normal pretty man. What grab a seat under him?
What do you mean?
I check me some I come check on you, bro. Can't leave me here Friday. Not even nice to reach up and sitting.
You want to say, bro, tell the truth. Shot me jump asleep for that time. I'm living alive one that time, I know, but tired, bro.
Bro, my God, so no say, you alright, and you want to sit and go.
No, bro, you know, something wrong with the car. You stay, put on bigger thing, bro. Buy something.
Yo, me I'll give you a call, you're my dog, you know, but more, you know this, you know.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, you can't depend on me, you know. And every day me I go alive in a real life, you know. And every day me go active.
That's the truth, still, bro.
And then every day I can live here, cause watch out. This is a place, I just, you know, as I know, this is a part of the back of villa, dog. This is a like part of renovation room. So this is a part of everything to clean up and just go around in front too. Because I made dog, so this is not forever. But me I put you up and stay in a situation. So yo, more you go up on your life and press for more. I don't know what you're going to do. I don't know if it might be TikTok and a method for you. You don't know what you're planning for the dog, what you need for the sitting. You know what I mean?
True,
So the machete you want, we grab your machete for you, the plan for cut. But yo, believe me dog, the TikTok is powerful. I see it already. I see things happen dog and I know it's possible. So more you sit down on the life dog.
You say that's true. As I left, me I go on it, bro.
Sure.
As I left, right now, me I go on it as I left. That's him. Me believe in it, you know. And you believe in me too. Now. If you never believe in me, you don't put me up and buy me a phone, bro.
I'm not damn won't do nothing. I just show me like say people in some situation dog and I have to go research for me one about this situation dog and make you know what I go on. Cause like, see me there from previously. Me I say me I tell you say yo, me and him have a problem, you know. No say I have man that I don't build a game dog, but it's true I may build a game. Just left that alone dog. Cause money really than an issue in a dog, but loyalty.
Yeah.
Yeah, money go, money come, but loyalty have forever dog. But yo, come on now wait for me dog. Just take care of yourself and yo, believe in that life. Believe in it. You hear me I told them?
Alright,
Believe
bro.
in it.
Now go like right now.
Right now.
See me can come on here now. It's that true. That we a chat. True that we a chat. How now move so over here? Like how now move, you know. 5 on over here and you can't tap up the screen. Fill up my life goal, Brittany. Appreciate it, enough respect. Enough respect, Brittany, enough respect. Everybody gone. You see me I jump off. I'm going from every time somebody come over here and they ain't gone. You know, see me I go take up something else because nothing I'm going for this. I never joke thing my friend upon, but everybody I reach out off a TikTok. How me can reach out and I go live 2 times? How long it take to reach out? Alright, now fed up and tired of this, you know. But just
Believe in that life. Believe in it. You hear me? I told you. Believe in it.
I'll go like right now. Also, try something different, car. Man, they can't tell myself to believe, and me not believe. So, come. And today me I will do something different, and really and truly, mother like to explain. And I like say me I bring if you look no sorry for over here or nothing, but me I bring my life story come over here, because I want to look at things go down, guys. Really, in one situation right now, I kind of really need help. Me not hide the truth. And chat, believe in me. If I fall off and drop on my face, Browning just put me out. How this one get at Sabrina? Hey Sabrina, what's up?
Hey, Tibby. I listen to your story, man, and boy, it really touching.
Why Sabrina, me I tell you, you know, rough by my side.
Oh God. And you know why me feel extra? Because everything you say, me go through it too. Same thing happened to me, so your story kind of touched me differently, you know? And we just want to let you know, say, each one have to help one. So, this is your Christmas, you know. I'm coming with your Christmas because somebody helped me, so me to help and pass it on.
Wow.
Hear what?
Is that true?
I'm coming over to the Rock next week. They know, say, your story touched me that much. I want to come and help you.
Like for sure, Sabrina?
For sure, somebody helped me to make me be where I am now. Right now, I'm living in the UK. I'm in the fridge.
Oh.
Your story touched me to the core.
You're from the UK? So when are you coming? When are you coming?
I'm coming next Wednesday.
Wow. So you want us to meet up?
Yes, man. I want to know how I can link you and think and see what I can do to help. The same way somebody helped me. Each one help one.
So can I text you? Sabrina? Can I text you?
Of course. What I will do, because this is live, so what I will do, I've already followed you. I follow you for a long time, so I'll private message you my contact.
Okay, so I'm gonna end my live now and text you, okay?
Yes, and people, each one for help when that's so we grow. Yes, man, end it and then we can talk.
Okay, I'm gonna text you.
Alright, blessings.
Okay, bye. Yes! Believe! Yo, Davi! You have to call Davi, you know. You have to call. Davi.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yo, you don't know, say, yo, you talk when you make, bro, believe. You just a plane on your head, so, bro. God, no.
So how going?
Boy, you know, say nothing I'm going. I just walk one go walk right now and believe.
God know I'm for you. I love my glove. If I could have inspire you, dog. But you know, dog, nothing done before time, you know. You see, my look different from fear. Just continue to believe, dog. I know say I got it. TV, me believe now you like or you're not even knowing, dog. You're inspiration to me in a school days, you know, dog. But you know, yo, respect what me have for you, dog. God alone, me I didn't respect the final, bro.
That is it, my bro, man. Believe, man. You gotta believe, man.
Yo, just do it.
Alright, bro.
Watch out. Yeah, what account, not true?
No, bro. Me not no account.
Alright, watch out. In the idea, I make one money reach you. And that will make you survive a week differently. But yo, just do it, dog. I'm on your call me back. No call me back until I forget some good news, you know, dog.
Alright, bro.
Alright.
Believe.
Yeah, man, my dog, man. Just believe. I don't say how to do it.
Come on, 5 phone. Come on, the phone. Give me phone.
Sweetheart,
Give me the phone.
Where you want my phone for?
Let me talk with shit in my mouth. Get up!
Where you want my phone for?
Who call you?
No, I'm a friend them.
Give me the phone and don't make me talk again.
Sweetheart.
Give me.
Sweetheart. Sweetheart. What make you search up a phone, man?
Excuse.
What happened to you?
Alright.
What happened to you?
If you touch me, I thump in your mouth.
Just deal me.
What?
Just
Jesus Christ, take you.
Just let me talk to you.
Let me go.
Just let me
You
talk.
hear me?
Easy.
Move.
Easy now.
Stop now.
Easy now.
Sure.
Just tell me something. Just tell me something. I'm not comfortable with that search. If you want to see something, then show it.
Hello.
Give me a talk. See there. My bro.
Who near my bro?
They were to school and I remember some tell us I want you to pay yard and stay, you know. Remember say I even want deal and I come link you. I tell us say, me have to left go chip on the youth up a yard.
God, if I lie this man, they tell me, making we can't turn it.
Yeah, what kind of lie if you tell her?
Make sure not tell me.
Why would I lie to you?
Me love you, make sure not tell me.
Who should lie to you?
Don't tell me no.
Don't never lie to you.
You sure?
Yeah, go on the business, bro.
So if I tell a lie, repeat after me.
If I tell her lie,
My would never stand up back.
I would never stand up.
Right.
You would never let me tell her.
Come, want something more. Yeah, move. Sweet and shit. Oh.
Should be here soon. Hey, finally. You alright? What happened?
I don't want to really hug you because I don't smell well and I'm dirty.
TV, I told you, say each one help one. Come here and share the love, man. Oh, I love we are sharing, you know. So what you need most? For what's the road? I could deal with this first stuff. What you need first? How me can help?
Well, as you can see, I need some clothes. I need lots of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I need somewhere to stay because where I stay now, it's my friend put me.
Yeah, so you were saying in the life.
So, and I don't have as much clothes as I'm supposed to. I don't have any food to eat and I don't have any money.
Oh no. Well, no say. Today is your Christmas, New Year, and birthday coming one. As I did say on the phone, say each one help one, and I was in that situation and got help to pass it on. So today, that the life gone. Christmas
Oh, really,
come.
Sabrina?
Christmas come.
Oh,
Christmas. Now you can hug me. Yeah, man. So we want to get first. And you know the place, you know.
So,
What we should do first.
I think we should go on movements because when I came here, it's walk I walk.
Mm-hmm. And as far as staying?
Yeah, so it's we could get a bike by up there to rent. I
Okay.
don't know if you have it. No.
Yes, man, I tell you, so Christmas is here.
Alright, come on.
Going to look after you. See, I need that you like.
We gotta ask how much for this one. Come on, baby. Oh, I love you so much.
Nice. Baby, I'm hot. Still hot. So I give you my cards. Here you go. The coffee.
Okay. So, what neighbor I?
Oh, rum and raisin.
Okay.
I'm gonna go and sit down. Oh, oh, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome, Sabrina. Sabrina, you know what? Thank you so very much. I thank you a lot for helping me out in my situation. I really appreciate it.
No problem. No problem. I was in the same boat and living with friends and family and who you never expect to hurt you. Really, they're the ones that hurt you the deepest and cut you the deepest. So when I was listening to your story on the live, I had to do something. I had to reach out.
So, how's the ice cream taste?
This one's nice.
Wonderful.
This one's nice. I love it.
So, when we left from here, where are you going?
I've got to go deal with some business.
Oh, okay.
But we'll link tomorrow and finish off with birthday, Easter, and everything. It's not done.
So, I have to go now. We have to go now.
Okay? That will work. Pull you down, go.
Yes, it was wonderful. So, we don't make my day. But wait, Sabrina carried this. And she tell me code, you know, I forgot, you know. We're rich! Believe! Yo, me not call her, you know. Me not call her and tell her. Her card miss her. That she fi know, me not call her and tell her we're rich. Right how my friend they tell me fi believe. Me believe and see come true, you know. We're rich.
Oh, Lord. You can buy me that clothes.
I'm telling you, say I should more shirt, yeah, buy me or something.
Who will buy a shirt?
You think about you.
You know, come to think
Relax,
about it. The money I did have before, you said that me never yet buy my ice mint and me get everything me want. See them roll on them done. All you can buy one roll on give me.
My girl, one go wash out your arm.
Let me wash up my arm. You come like some weird man. No, me ask you. You just want to come ride me and go every time? I see you want to come ride and go. You can't buy me a little $2,000 suit.
I'm forget the money right now. Tell them
You know, work with the government.
See me can't ride off for there.
A government here work with, you can't ride it, you can't lift up a next one. You see? Let me tell you this, honestly. Honestly to God, for the past few weeks, I've been thinking of dating back Davi. So now I think you need to go.
Go away.
Out. You don't serve no purpose in it, so. You not buy one pillowcase. You not buy no roller. You not buy no suffering to clean the house. You just want to come ride and go away. When you're ready, you turn on TV and you don't even play Netflix bill. Come, go on out. I think I want to call back Davi. I don't want to come over here come see you. Can I see you now? You come out there for peace and you left all your clothes. What you left your clothes for? To start up my life.
So what happened when I left my shirt?
You don't live here, you know on the right here, you know black and you know board and something by. Eh? Come,
You
go
know when
on.
you cock up in my car, you know my car buy?
Go on, go on, go
When you
on.
put the on dashboard, you know how we buy?
Go on,
You
go
know
on.
how it come about? Eh?
Go on, go on, go on. I think I can't see it anymore.
You see, you're so ungrateful girl, you know.
Yes, I keep be the first and the last.
And anyhow me ever come over here and say Davi over here. It's gonna be last time.
Your time is expired. Can you remove yourself and walk with grace, please? And thank you.
You hear me say, girl?
I'm here, Tatu. Come,
You say for you hear me say?
Come so.
You say for you hear me say?
Little
You hear me
man,
say?
man. If you do
Make
something
sure you
different
hear me
now,
say, yeah?
go on, go on, go on.
If me ever come back over here and see him or glimpse and send him or nothing, I lost at him. You hear me tell you?
Go on, no. Don't talk.
Remember to me tell you, yeah?
So.
You feel like you're a joke thing with the
Stop licking me.
Boy, yeah, go back to it. Do it and see. Feel like saying I'm not joking.
It's full of chat. Look a weapon we have a fool you. Hello.
Hello.
How are you there?
Who this?
What do you mean who this? You don't know say I want Shanice.
Oh, you use a real name.
Yes, how are you there?
I'm woman yard.
Oh, well tell her say soon come check me.
Come check it for what? Girl, you have man in my place and bill.
There's no man here.
You can't tell me that. You can't only take me for either one or two.
Listen to me good. Me need you back. So if you come, you come. Cause right now me need some things.
What do you mean you need some? How money you take me for?
No, me need something you have underneath. You know, good. Me need it now. Come
Brother,
on.
me in a serious relationship now.
Oh, well, tell her you're so come. I don't like you going for long. Because I don't think we can stomach you for so
come
long.
into the relationship. Tell her what do. We come over tomorrow and talk to you.
Wait. But you say, Bo, come.
I'm in a committed relationship. I do not cheat. So I'll come over.
Wait there. Hey Siri, what is the meaning of committed relationship?
You know, committed.
A committed relationship is an interpersonal relationship based upon agreed upon commitment to one another involving love.
Girl, that means I'm not.
But you still can't give on. That's a word. Listen to me. You say I'll come tomorrow, right?
We come tomorrow and look for you. Nothing more, nothing less.
So you say you can't refuse yourself.
Believe me.
Alright,
Nothing
yeah,
more.
tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright. May I put myself in a man? You want me to agree to go over this? The girl I mean, I'm not good enough, I can't see. Yeah, I mean, no good at all, bro. Yeah.
You already know that now, bro.
Oh, and there I go and brought to the place, you know.
I want to tell us I meet her. So go on your TikTok. Man can go by and told what you are ice cream.
Yo, you know what I say? On that street near here, so you let me, so I should have nothing to show.
So we famous.
I ain't a bunch of that they right, but I like it.
Yo, well, so man can go close to and can go buy ice cream. I don't remember if take back in card from me, because you know what? I mean, give card to share, bro.
Phil, I ain't throwing any money in the mouth.
Thank you much.
You think I sent you any money?
No, no. I don't want to be.
Phil, you can buy me a buckle in.
I'll 10 more me can buy. You don't believe in me, look here.
Ah, yeah.
We're rich.
You want 2 buckles sold here? Not for you, it's all television.
Queer what?
Yo, it's one of them for
You say all that anything. You're rich, you know. I hold it for money in the pan, sir.
you want a white rum, them and them. Yo, bro, it's a different mistake. I know you are a buckle and something that. Can't give me a little money that I'm going to hold for myself, bro.
We soon get money. This is so I can't use me have to go on my food.
Me can't walk with it, bro.
No,
you feel like we have money and
no walk
you free,
again.
bro.
We don't walk again. We rent bike.
Well, me can't get it.
We have a rental park up on the stuff.
Me can't afford it because people are crazy. She has to stay home.
Tell Right now, bro. Tell him to get 4 back instead. Me I go back to my come back.
Alright, so. How you fine?
I mean, say me can't decline. I'm rich. People are feisty and brighty. Oh, bye. Oh, see it over. How is that car? Yes, Sabrina. God. Sabrina, me look like a thief. Not because they help me, you know. Me not a thief from here, you know. And not because they are foreigner either, you know. Me tell her that, you know. But I saw you make you look at ask when me see a card and this and that. Me no want to hear them do something right now. Check your hotel. You come like say a senile or something. What you mean by your balance on your card down and you don't have no money for go me whole of your life savings spend off? But Sabrina, where they come off with? Me I don't know thief, you know. I'm just a cruff. So you know what? Come off on my phone.
Yeah, me I go from the road and I got you with some. So me I go from the road and got you with some business.
No way.
Oh, you know, me I go down to the supermarket and donate some stuff.
Let me doing it.
Yeah, I'm telling you, just chill me. That's something for you.
No.
No.
You do everything already?
Yeah, I'm do everything.
Okay.
I'm soon come, okay?
Be safe, yeah?
Alright.
You hear what me say, do?
What?
Be safe.
Yeah, of course.
Pray before you leave the yard.
Everything good, man. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Trish.
Oh, you rich?
Yeah, I'm rich.
What?
There, man. Hey, some groceries, sir.
Go hug me up now.
No, man.
What?
So me carry some groceries, sir. I sound
Yeah,
like
I just come like you know, so me pan empty.
So, Capri, so now, so all the time. So, hey. I really plan to stay now, just because you said me to come over. I mean, know see how money you want, make you come over.
Oh, so? You not come in?
No, Trish.
Why?
Trish, me not really definitely. Me feel too much
Oh,
bad.
so me come outside then.
Me feel too much bad memories when I come at this place, man. I tell you the truth.
I think I want to say something.
Just that.
Anyways, outside kind of hot. It's a different stuff. Could I just come inside? So come
See all of
inside.
that, man.
Can I come inside?
No, me can't come inside.
Why?
Trish, me not come and fit deal with you. Me just tell you, say, yo, what you do to me? I know, say, you grow on me. And I understand. I know the reason why you do it. But you grow on me, so I can't on the back with you. And plus, me even tell my woman a lie to reach over there. So
What your woman name?
don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Woman good ugly.
You tell my woman a lie to reach over here, so
What's your name?
don't worry about that. So just enjoy your life whenever you're doing.
Come here, them in house. Come here. Yes, as me I said now.